back to my channel Foodies Magnets, and today we're going to make a very quick and easy recipe, which is a sandwich spread recipe, which is very popular with kids as well as adults. It's called peanut butter. It is very easy, just requires 2-3 ingredients and the taste is super delish. Let's see what all ingredients you require for that. Before we get down for the ingredients for a peanut butter, super easy peanut butter, I would just request that please stay at home. I hope that the lockdown phase 3 is going well at your end also. Please abide by all the regulations which is required, because we need, if you're safe, then everything is great. For that we're going to require about 110 grams of peanuts. These are dry roasted peanuts. I've already roasted them in advance. If you can have a look that it is all roasted up well, and make sure that it is dry roasted. And you require sugar-free Natura or any other sweetener which you prefer. And if you do not want to have any other sweetener, artificial sweetener, you can just add a little bit of honey. So the ingredients are very simple. We will even require just a pinch of salt. That's it. Just 3 ingredients and we are done. Our peanut butter spread is going to be ready. It is homemade. It does not have any extra chemicals, and the taste is going to be really delicious. And once you have a taste of your own handmade, homemade peanut butter, the market peanut butter is not going to taste that well. Because this peanut butter which we are going to make, it's super healthy and it is not filled with all the chemicals. So what we're going to do is we'll take a jar of meter, slowly add the peanuts to it, close it, and we're just going to grind it. We're going to grind it in a particular sequence. We need to keep in mind the process of blending is that 1 minute of blending and 30 seconds of rest, and we're going to follow this for 3 sets. So which means 3 times we need to blend it and rest for 30 seconds. So now let's get blending. It's been a minute. We are resting for 30 seconds. You can see the consistency is little powdery, little sticky, which means that we're doing it totally right. As you can see that the buttery texture started to form. Now we're going to add, this is our second grind. So now we're going to add our honey or sugar-free Natura, whatever you're using, to this mixture. So I will be using sugar-free Natura for 5, 6, 7 drops it is, and just for a little bit of flavor, just a drizzle of honey. If you're just using honey, then you will require about 5 teaspoons of honey, or as per your sweetness liking. The perfect quantity is going to be about 3 teaspoons of honey. But if you like it more sweeter, then you can use 5 teaspoons of honey in your peanut butter. Now let's just add a pinch of salt. Close the blending jar again and blend it for one more time. This is the final blend. This is the final blend, and you can see that a buttery texture is formed. So now at this moment, if you like it to be very creamier, you can add some extra virgin coconut oil or just a teaspoon of butter. But I feel this is the best way of having this. So I will avoid the extra virgin oil. We like it a little chunky. So we'll avoid the extra virgin coconut oil or any butter to this. And this is ready, and we just need to take it out, cool it in the refrigerator, put it into a glass container, cool it in the refrigerator for about an hour, and you can use this for about 1 week or 2 weeks. Now you can see how nice and creamy our peanut butter is. It's up to you if you want to add any more coconut oil or butter, you can do that. But I feel it's best not to add any more fat to this because peanuts already has fats in it. Nice smoothie. If you wish, at this point you can drizzle a little bit more of honey. You can taste it. And we are just ready with our all homemade natural peanut butter, which is super healthy. So our peanut butter spread is all ready. Let's just add it into a glass jar. So that we can easily store it. The smell and the texture is just yum, and it's going to be enjoyed by all age groups. This can be used for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches or peanut butter cookies or just peanut butter toast. This is super easy, healthy, and it's going to be enjoyed by everyone. Let's just cool it down and set it inside the fridge for an hour, and our peanut butter is all set to be enjoyed. Yum. It is delicious. Oh my god, this is just breathtaking. For all the peanut butter lovers, this is super healthy and easiest way to curb all your cravings for peanut butter. Enjoy, and do let me know how you liked this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And thanks a lot for watching. Stay home, stay safe, take care of your elders and your kids, and well, make the best use of this time with your family. And my peanut butter spread is all ready, and it's on my toast. My perfect, and just like that, my peanut butter spread is all set and served. It tastes delicious. Do try this recipe at your home, and I'm sure you'll not be disappointed. I just love all the flavors and the freshness of the peanuts. Yum. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Foodies Magnets, and do try this recipe. Have a great day. Enjoy. Ta-da! Bye-bye.